Hey y'all, this is Ashton with Burn Homemade, and today I'm going to show you how to make my sourdough einkorn chocolate chip cookies. So into my stand mixer, I'm going to add 1 cup of browned butter, and that's been cooled all the way. I'm adding 2/3 cup of pure cane sugar, along with 2/3 cup of light brown sugar. I'm going to mix them on low until they're well combined. I'm going to add in 2/3 cup of cold sourdough discard. I've just had this in the fridge overnight. And mixing those until they're well combined. I'm adding 2 egg yolks. I take the whites out to help with the liquid. You have the sourdough going in there, and you need to take some of the liquid away to help it not be as liquidy. And add 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste. I'm sorry, I really like making up my own words. Here I'm adding in 2 3/4 cup of Einkorn flour. I use jovial all-purpose, and it's really good. Okay. And that was 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to mix them until they're well mixed. Yeah, so I'm wearing a neon yellow shirt from Dollar General because I never got out of my pajamas. I'm not going to lie to you. And that's why everything is color casted out in the back, neon. Here I'm adding in what should be a 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, but some kids got into it. I didn't have that much. If I don't use that, I use 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate bar and 4 ounces German chocolate bar. And make sure if some drops, you eat it because it's really good. There's a tornado warning on the one over us. You hear that? Yeah, he just said this one's about to get a tornado warning. Don't worry, we didn't have to go to the cellar, but it was a close call. It passed us and immediately became a tornado. Fun times in Texas in May. You're going to freeze these for 20 minutes before you bake them at 350 for 17. And voila! Sourdough Einkorn chocolate chip cookies. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.